So this year, when you think about the best credit card from Amazon, I want you to really think about the following review. So the first card I want to share with you when it comes to versatility is the Chase Freedom Flex. This is kind of cool. We love the Chase Freedom Flex because it has a lot of variety. You have a welcome bonus of $200 plus 5% on gas and grocery, excluding Target and Walmart. So this is really fantastic. The APR is not really that low, but it's still okay anyway. You are looking at 20% all the way to 29%. So if you're looking for a great Amazon card for versatility, you want to go with the Chase Freedom Flex. And we love the fact that basically you have no annual fee. You have rotating quarterly categories that earn 5% rewards when activated up to a combined quarterly $1,500 maximum. The travel rewards rate rivals some of the best premium travel cards based on our experience. This is kind of cool. Now, the only thing is that you have generous rewards rate in several other categories. This is fantastic. The only thing is travel bookings must be made through Chase Ultimate Rewards. So if you want to earn 5% cash back, you have to do everything through Chase Ultimate Rewards. So this is just fantastic. The good thing, what we love about this Chase credit cards is that you are able to use a card for all kinds of lifestyle needs. This is fantastic. I want to share with you another card when it comes to the best Amazon credit cards. You have the US Bank Shopper Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card. This is, in our view, the best cashback card for Amazon. What we love about this card is that you have a $250 bonus. This is a welcome bonus, and you are able to earn 6% cashback each quarter on combined eligible purchases from two retailers of choice. And you do have a $1,500 limit. This is really fantastic. What we love about the card, above other things, is that you are able to actually earn cash back on a continuous basis. So you are basically earning money whenever you use the card, okay? And so the quarterly bonus reward structure out earns similarly structured peers. Bonus categories include less commonly bonused options like warehouse stores and big box retailers. And the cool factor is that you have the unique LED technology lights up logo when you use the tap to pay. You must enroll, though, each quarter into two retailers and one purchase category of your choice, or all purchases only earn 1.5% cash back. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. So I'm continuing to talk to you about the best credit cards for Amazon this year. So another card I want to share with you is the Amazon Visa credit card. This is, in our view, the best Amazon card with no spending caps. And so there is actually a welcome bonus in terms of Amazon gift card. The card has no annual fee. And the regular APR is kind of interesting because you are looking at 19% all the way to 27%. So this is pretty decent. And so this card offers fantastic value for frequent shoppers at Amazon.com and Whole Foods stores. And an additional bonus cashback category Visa signature benefits plus no annual fee further sweeten the deal. In our view, it's just fantastic. So when you think about this card, think about strong rewards rate for Amazon purchases, no foreign transaction fees. You have travel benefits. You have the option for equal pay 0% APR payments. This is kind of cool. So long story short, you are able to earn unlimited 3% back on your Amazon.com, Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods Market purchases, or 5% back with an eligible Prime membership. You can earn unlimited 3% cash back on Chase travel purchases or 5% cash back on an eligible Prime membership. You can earn unlimited 2% back on local transit and commuting, including rideshare, and you can earn unlimited 1% back on all other purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. And so you also have another card I want to share with you. This is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card for students. So this is actually, in our view, the best Amazon card for students. And this card is kind of interesting. Why? First of all, you have a $200 bonus as a welcome bonus. You have an APR that's really great, 18% to 28%. You have no annual fee. You have an introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers. You have solid rewards earning, a welcome bonus, And this is really cool. So you are able to enjoy a welcome bonus, flat rate rewards, and more than a year of intro APR on purchases and balance transfers. So this card is really fantastic. You don't have that many benefits, but it's still okay anyway. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best credit cards for Amazon this year. Another card I want to share with you is the Citi Double Cash card, and this card here is actually, in our view, the best Amazon card for fair credit. So this is just fantastic, and the card actually earns you $200 cash back as a welcome bonus. There is a no annual fee. This is fantastic. The regular APR is kind of interesting because you are earning. I mean, you are paying. You are being charged, if you will, 19% to 29% in terms of APR. And but the card allows you, for all intents and purposes, to earn up to a 2% cash back. So 1% when the purchase is made, and 1% when the payment is made on the account. So this is kind of cool. The card has no cashback cap, so there's no limit on the amount of cashback that can be earned during a specific period. There is no annual fee. The intro APR actually applies to balance transfers, and this is what it is. But some of the things you need to be aware of: there is a foreign transaction fee, there is a balance transfer fee, and this is what it is. But overall, great card. Another card I want to share with you here is the Bilt World Elite MasterCard. We think that this is the best travel rewards card for Amazon, and the card itself is pretty straightforward. There is no welcome bonus. There is no annual fee, that's for sure. But this card allows you to pay rent, earn rewards, and use your earnings for travel. Sounds like a great way to maximize your rent money to a lot of consumers. Okay, so earn rewards on rent, primary car rental, and cell phone insurance. The points can be transferred to partners, and this is kind of cool. But this card requires 5 card transactions per statement period to earn rewards. So it's one of those cards where you're gonna have to spend. You're gonna have to spend to actually earn your rewards. But this is kind of cool because you have 1x points on rent payments with no transaction fee, up to 100,000 points each calendar year. 2x points on travel when booked directly with an airline, hotel, car rental, or cruise company. 3x points on dining, plus 1x points on other purchases. So this is kind of cool. You have a cell phone insurance, you have a purchase security, theft and damage protection. So this is kind of cool. Really, really fantastic. You also have another card that we love a lot. You have Prime Visa, so Amazon Prime Visa. This is the best Amazon card for payment terms. So this is a This is an interesting proposition because this card actually has it gives you the possibility to get a $100 Amazon gift card. You have a 19% to 27% in terms of APR. This is kind of cool. And we love the fact that this card allows you to. This card is great if you frequently shop at Amazon and Whole Foods. The 5% rewards rate is stellar, and you are able to get also a 2% rewards category plus Visa's signature benefits. So this is kind of cool. There are no spending required for the welcome bonus. No foreign transaction fees. Travel and shopping protections are available. So this is kind of cool. Another card I want to share with you is the Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express. Fantastic card. Especially this is, in our view, the best card for Amazon with entertainment credits. So if you are looking for the best credit card for Amazon this year in terms of entertainment credits, you will love this Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express. And the card actually has a $200 bonus. This is really cool. And you are able to enjoy an APR that goes from 19% to 29%. And you are able to see, again, this card has no annual fee. So this is kind of cool. The card overall offers excellent value in the right hands. So spending a lot at US supermarket and US gas station brings plump rewards, while the introductory APR rate on purchases helps keep your interest expenses down. So this is kind of cool. Now look elsewhere for foreign transactions. Don't count on this card to give you the best foreign transactions or a waiver, if you will, on foreign transactions. So the card actually has an introductory APR offer on purchases and balance transfers, no annual fee, above average earnings at US supermarkets, US gas stations, and online retail purchases in the US. So this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say also is that you have elevated earnings at US supermarkets and also online retail purchases in the US that are capped at $6,000 in annual spending per category. And rewards earning outside of the bonus categories is just 1% cashback. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best credit cards for Amazon this year. You also have a Bank of America customized cash rewards credit card. This is a fantastic card. In our view, this is the best card for Amazon, and other online shopping. And the card actually is great. You are able to earn a 3% cashback in the category of your choice, automatic 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs up to a certain limit. So the welcome bonus is at $200, and the APR is kind of decent. You are looking at 18% to 28%. And so this is kind of cool. Now this card really shines for Bank of America preferred rewards clients who get basically a 25% to 75% boost in cashback earnings. So this is kind of really good. And one thing I want to say here is that when you think about this bank, you have decent rewards earning potential. You have the option to change 3% bonus category monthly. And bonus rewards have quarterly caps though, okay? And there is also a higher balance transfer fee to be aware of. And you have a foreign transaction fee also to be aware of when it comes to this card. Another card I want to share with you is the Amazon Business Prime American Express card. This card is, in our view, the best business card from Amazon for Amazon. So you have a welcome bonus of $125 Amazon.com gift card. You have there's no annual fee. There's a regular APR that goes from 19% to 27% when it comes to this card. So something to be aware of. So if your business spends heavily on Amazon.com, AWS, or Whole Foods, this card's 5% back is an unbeatable reward, more so with no annual fee. If short-term cash flow is an issue, you have the option to swap the 5% back for a 90-day 0% APR financing on any eligible purchase. There is no 0% intro APR offer, and the standard APR is high. So this card is not suitable for long-term financing. So if you're thinking about long-term financing, it's just better to get credit elsewhere. That's for sure. So I just finished talking to you about the top 10 best credit cards for Amazon. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So it's important to really understand that when we talk about Amazon credit card, we are basically talking about Amazon credit card benefits. And so your goal in choosing a credit card for Amazon is really, when you think about it, to find the cards that offers the best combination of rewards and other perks for your particular circumstances. So again, your particular circumstances can revolve around a variety of scenarios. You can think about high rewards rate on Amazon purchases. You can have options to redeem rewards towards Amazon expenses. You can have shopping perks like purchase protection, return protection, or extended warranties. And you can have a low APR on new purchases. So this is kind of cool. Now the credit score that you need for an Amazon credit card depends upon the card issuer, but based on our experience, if you have somewhere from 650 or above, you are in good hands. Okay, and I mean, for instance, the Prime Visa, Amazon suggests that you should have a credit score of 680 or more. And now, as with all credit cards, other factors may impact your eligibility, and your credit score alone will not determine whether or not you are going to be approved for the card, right? And additionally, the credit score and other required factors may actually vary if you are considering a different card at a different time. So everything revolves around the eligibility requirements, but also your own financial situation. And if you want to increase your credit card limits for Amazon purchases, it's always important to contact your card issuer at the toll-free number printed on the back of the card, or you want to log into your account to request a limit increase electronically. What I'm trying to say here is that every card issuer has his or her own stipulations that you have to go through, and occasionally a representative may need to verify your up-to-date financial information, including current income, assets, debts, or other factors in order to consider or process your request, okay? And although it's very easy to request a credit line increase, making yourself a strong candidate for this offer can be more involved. So it's one of those things where you want to plan, right? We always say you want to plan before asking for anything, especially credit limit increase. Bonus here before we close this conversation. I've shared with you our top 10 best credit cards for Amazon. It's really important to understand that when you have Amazon rewards, you want to constantly maximize those rewards, right? So the only thing better than earning rewards is using them. So depending on which card you are using for your Amazon shopping, you may have multiple ways to redeem your rewards. And in general, you should aim to redeem your rewards for at least a penny a point. So it's always important to choose the right cards anyway. So your cards may offer you the option to, let's say, either take cash back or, let's say, redeem your rewards directly for purchases at Amazon. And in most cases, paying with points directly while shopping will be more expensive than if you just paid normally and requested a cashback redemption at a later date. So what you want to do is you want to always double check the terms and conditions here, okay? Check the redemption terms and conditions of your card to make sure you are redeeming your earnings for the most value. And also, you want to earn a welcome bonus if possible. You probably saw that in all the cards that I told you, you are offered a welcome bonus. So if the card you choose for your Amazon spending comes with a welcome bonus for meeting a minimum spending requirements, it can be a worthwhile goal to attain. A welcome bonus on a card typically snags you a pile of points or cash for spending the way you usually do anyway. Okay. Now, one thing you need to be sure about is that the clock starts ticking the day you are approved for the card and not the day you receive your physical card in the mail. So keep track of the dates and your spending to make sure you do not miss out. And you can also add your credit card to Amazon. So Amazon has an option to keep a default credit card on file to expedite your ordering process. So if you get a new card for your Amazon spending, make sure to designate this as your default payment method to ensure that you use the best card for future purchases. And you can also consider pairing more cards. Who knows? I mean, depending on your situation or your family situation, you can pair more cards. And let's say if you have a card that caps the number of elevated rewards you can earn in Amazon, or let's say only offers big rewards in the bonus quarter, consider pairing it with another card that offers solid rewards on all purchases. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say you own a rotating cashback category card and Amazon is a bonus category that quarter. So after you hit the quarterly cap, any other spending at Amazon only earns 1% cashback. But if you use, let's say, if you use a 2% cashback credit card afterward, you could double those measly 1% rewards after reaching your limits anyway. So this is kind of cool in terms of making sure you get the proper treatment. Okay, and so Amazon also Amazon.com gives you 5% cashback in some cases. You can have the Prime Visa or you can have the Chase Freedom Flex, depending on your situation. So you have to see what really works for you. In all cases, an Amazon credit card is worth it, especially if you do most or all of your shopping through Amazon and its family of businesses. Then an Amazon credit card could make a lot of sense for you. However, there are many other credit cards that also offer great rewards and could be a better fit for someone who only occasionally shops with Amazon. So there's a lot to consider when determining if Amazon credit cards are worth it for you. So think about what really is important to you and what the priorities really are. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I just spoke to you about the best credit cards for Amazon. Let's do a quick review here. So I spoke to you about the Chase Freedom Flex, US Bank Shopper Cash Rewards Visa Signature, Amazon Visa Credit Card, Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards for credit card for students, You have a Citi Double Cash card. You have Bills World Elite MasterCard, Prime Visa, Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express, Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards. You also have Amazon Business Prime American Express card. And then I'll give you the overview and now the bonus. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.